If you ever needed to create a group text in iMessage on iPhone and rename the group or change the profile photo of group, then this is the video you need to watch. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from Tech Review Pro, and without any further delay, let's learn how to create and rename a group text in iMessage on iPhone or iPad. In order to create a group text in iMessage on iPhone or iPad, you'll have to first of all open iMessage app or the messaging app on your iPhone. And once you have opened the Messages app, here you have to tap on the composer icon that will activate the composing interface for new messages. Here you have to simply enter the name of the recipients which you want to add in the iMessage group. You may simply type the name here, or you may also tap on the plus icon and then select the contacts that you want to add in the group. So here I'll select the recipients that I want to add in the iMessage group text, and after that those recipients will be added in the group. And once you have added the recipients, simply tap the message here that you want to send, and after that simply hit the send button, and that will create the group text in iMessage on your iPhone or iPad. As you can see here, this group has been created and these two recipients will have received this text. So this is how you create a group text in iMessage on your iPhone or iPad. But if you want to rename a group text, you'll have to simply tap on the group icon here, and after that you get the option for edit. Here you can tap on edit and then tap on edit name and photo. And when you tap on that, here you get the option to enter a group name. You can simply tap on it and enter the name that you want to rename it for the text message group. And once renamed, you also get the option to change the group icon. You can select any of the photos or icons that you want to add for the group text. And after that, tap on done checkmark, and that icon will be added as group icon for your iMessage text group. And after that, simply tap on done checkmark, and you can see we have renamed the iMessage text group and also change its profile icon. Here you can further see the information regarding the recipients or the members of the group, and further you also get the option to change backgrounds for the chat. And after that, tap done and you'll see that the changes have been reflected here. So this way you may create and rename a group text in iMessage on your iPhone or iPad. I hope you found this video helpful. And by the way, if you want to learn how to schedule a text message in iMessage on your iPhone or iPad, make sure you tap here to watch this video. I'm Rahul signing off, and I'll see you in the next video.